Hi, this is Eric the Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you how to locate and read the model tag on your Samsung dishwasher. To begin, open the dishwasher's door. The model tag is normally located on the top of the inner door panel, but may also be located on the left or right side of the door, or on the inside edge of the dishwasher's tub. The model tag will contain the model number, serial number, manufacturer date, and the version number of the dishwasher. The version number is also sometimes called the revision number. This will be shown on the tag like this, and may be abbreviated with either a VER for version number or REV for revision. When looking at parts, make sure that you're using the full model number found here, which is normally followed by a / and 2 or 3 letters, and then a dash with the version or revision number. Some models may not have a version or revision number listed on the tag. If the version or revision number is missing on your dishwasher's model tag, try searching with the existing model number. Then, if multiple versions exist, compare the part lists to see if the part you need is the same for all versions. Or you can contact the manufacturer for assistance finding the version number. If you need to purchase a new part for your Samsung dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. And that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.